Hey everybody, Fred McKinnon here with eComCatalyst, and I want to be very blunt about something, okay? And it's not easy to say, but as I am on YouTube, I'm realizing that a lot of the content that surrounds e-commerce is coming from people who can talk the talk but have never really walked the walk. What I mean by that is maybe they've got a seller account, maybe they've made some money flipping some things on Amazon, maybe they're buying Nike shoes and flipping them. They have some different things that they can do and they can talk about, but have they ever really built and scaled a brand? Have they really walked out every aspect of running an e-commerce business? And the answer in many cases is, quite frankly, no. So this week we kind of hit a big milestone for me. And I say big, it's actually a small milestone, but I'm celebrating this win. Okay. I started this channel a year or so ago and we just hit 225,000 views on the channel. Hey, can I just say thank you? Thank you so much for your faithfulness to watch these videos and to subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe now. But what I want to do real quick in this kind of raw, unedited video is talk to you just for a minute on why we just hit 225,000 views and what that means for you and why you should listen of all people on internet and all the people on YouTube, why what I have to say here maybe matters to you. All right. I have been doing e-commerce for over 25 years. I started when Amazon was called a Z shop. That's way back when the guy who actually started the whole third-party marketplace on Amazon, you could email him or text him and say, hey, I got a problem, and get an answer. It was pretty awesome. The Z Shop eventually changed into what they call the Amazon Marketplace. I had hundreds of thousands of listings in the Amazon Marketplace. I was one of the very last holdouts where they said, Fred, you've got to migrate into this new portal we have called Seller Central. All right. Now, I don't know about you, but if I'm going into battle, I want someone with experience. I want someone that has been down the road and has seen a lot. I've seen it. Every iteration of the Amazon seller platform, I have not only seen, but I have been a participant in as a seller. Still today, I have my own brands that I sell. And yes, I run an agency, eComCatalyst. We help scale other brands as well. And that gives us even greater insight into what's actually going on Amazon. But in my 25 plus year career as a seller, I can tell you, I have seen the iteration of FBA. I've seen the evolving iteration of PPC. Back when I was doing it, there was no FBA. There was no PPC. I'm 55 years old while I'm recording this video right now. There was no Facebook. There was no social media. There was nothing like that. All right. So I've been around the block a few times. And when I make these videos, I'm coming to you from that strength of explaining things that I see that I've experienced for decades of being in the e-commerce space. Now, are there people that have made way more money? Absolutely. For 25 years of my life, I had a totally separate full-time career in music, and I actually did the e-commerce on the side. So yes, there's people that have made tons and tons more money. What I want to know is about profitability. Are you being profitable? I see PPC advice that just makes no sense to me at all as a person who has now managed hundreds of millions of dollars in PPC spend. So I just want to thank you for watching this video, for watching this channel, for subscribing to this channel, and trusting the voice that I have to bring to you. I've been sued. I've had my account suspended. I've had to get it reactivated countless times. I've had buy box suppression. I've had listings hacked. I've had listings hijacked. I could wallpaper my office with cease and desist letters from all of these attorneys and all these manufacturers that say you're not authorized to sell my product. I have launched private label products in which I lost over $10,000 of wasted product that just didn't hit, right? I have seen all of this. I've been attacked with Black Hat. I've been invited consistently through back channels from Black Hat people to buy negative reviews or to buy attacks on other people's listings. I've been around, I've seen this. And on top of all of that, when you've been in the industry for 20 plus years, your Rolodex fills up. Now you're like, Rolodex? What's a Rolodex? Google it, you'll find out. But it's nice to be in a community where you've been around long enough where no matter what the situation is, if I don't know how to fix it, I know someone that does. Now that's the value of following this channel. So once again, I just want to quickly celebrate a small but significant milestone of 225,000 views. Means a lot to me that you have taken the time to follow this channel. And there are tons of amazing YouTubers talking about e-commerce that are really, really, really good. I follow some of them myself. And then there's just a whole lot of fluff. I'm coming to you for this video for two reasons. One, just to celebrate a win that I understand probably 99.9% of you all could care less about, but I'm celebrating it anyway. But number two, I want to bring value and I want to bring forth the authority that you can count on when I'm speaking about subjects in the world of e-commerce, because I have lived it and I want to share that information with you so that it's effective and powerful and will help you make money and survive and thrive in your e-commerce world. Hey, if we can help you in any way, check out the site eComCatalyst.com. You can go there. It's the first link in the video description. You can jump on one-on-one consults with me. I do 30-minute and 60-minute paid consults one-on-one. And if you're ready to hire an agency full service to help manage your brand, we do that as well. But more than anything, just be a part of the community here. If you're still watching this, drop a comment. Tell me what content you like. Tell me what you'd like for me to talk about. Ask me questions so that I can answer them. Many cases, I will take your comments that are questions and make a video response to that for more content here on the channel. So, hey, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.